Hi everyone, today I will show you another fully funded scholarship from Korea. The university name is University of Science and Technology Korea. It is for MS and PhD students. Before I show you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more updates. And this is the link where you can find all the details about how you can apply for this. So this is the international admission schedule, and the first step is announcement of admission guidelines. Second step is submission of application form and required documents. This is the date below given 8/17/18. So these are the steps you have to follow all through. So these are the admission guidelines. You can download it, and this is the link where you can find your desired subject, like Department of Engineering, Department of Natural Sciences, Department of Medicine, and Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. So these are the available majors you can select. So like Department of Science, I will go here, mathematics, physics and astronomy and physics, and all the further details will be displayed here. So like in physics there are further subcategories: medical, physics, nanoscience. So that's how you can find your desired subjects. And this is the link where you can apply online, and first you have to create account and then follow the procedure. So this is the admission guidelines. So this is what it looks like, and so all the details are given here, and this is the facts and figures. And distribution of 33% are international students and 67% are Korean. So scholarship worth is for PhD students, it is equivalent to $1,350 per month, and for master student it is equivalent to €1,000 per month. So it is a very generous scholarship, and also full tuition fee will be waived for scholarship students. So these are the scholarship details, and so you should check this out. And what are the admission type? International admission, foreigner, nationals whose parents are foreign national. Admission timeline. So admission for international admission, August 17 and September 18. You can apply between August 17 to September 18. And supplement document submission, October 8 to October 15. Announcement of successful applicant for the first selection will be November 6, when the result will be announced. Interview will be held on between November 13 to November 20, and final successful applicant result will be announced on December 9, and admission and registration start will December 10 to 18, and cancellation of admission this date. Registration for wait listed candidates, notification sent individually after December 21. So this is the complete timeline for this UST university, and this is the application method: create an account and then apply for document submission, etc. So complete the application. Eligibility, and these are the eligibility conditions. So online application process they have guided here: create an account and consent, and personal medical check, right, statement of purpose, upload required documents and confirm application information, pay the application fee, and application fee is $30. So you have to pay $30 to apply for this university. And these are the required documents: proposal of study, a bachelor degree or certified or of expected graduation, transcripts, master degree thesis, list of required documents. This is continue and IELTS, and there is also certification of previous employment, other documents proving your excellence. So mandatory documents for each admission: foreigners recommendation letter, at least one and maximum 3. So you need recommendation letters, so that recommendation form can be downloaded. So you should follow this recommendation pattern, and you can download from this link. And what else? So schedule supplement document submission. This is the so you should check this out document carefully. So IELTS requirement is 6, minimum IELTS requirement is 6, and applicants exempt from submitting official English test scores. So for Pakistani students, we have to give IELTS test, or if you are residents of this country, you don't have to give IELTS test. So guys, read the admission guidelines carefully and apply for this university and scholarship, and I wish you best of luck. And if you have any question, please let me know. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you for watching. Bye.